Today, I'm going to walk you through how to completely delete a domain from your Cloudflare account using the updated process for 2026. Whether you're cleaning up domains you no longer use, switching providers, or just wanting to tidy your dashboard by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to remove a domain safely and confidently, step by step. So let's jump right in. The first thing you'll need to do is log in to your Cloudflare dashboard. That's found at cloudflare.com up in the top right corner. Go ahead and enter your email and password. If you've set up two-factor authentication, and I really recommend you do, it might ask you for a verification code. Take your time here, security comes first, so don't rush through this part. Once you're inside your dashboard, you'll see a list of all the domains you're currently managing. Now find the specific domain you'd like to remove. If you have a lot of domains, you can use the search bar at the top to quickly filter the list. The goal here is to make sure you're working with the correct domain. So double-check you've selected the right one before moving forward. Clicking the domain will take you to its management area. Before you can actually delete a domain, you'll want to disable DNS-SEC. This step is important. DNS-SEC acts like a digital signature for your DNS records. It helps protect your domain from spoofing and ensures traffic goes where it's supposed to. If you try to remove a domain with DNS-SEC still turned on, you could run into errors or, in some cases, leave lingering issues with DNS records. So within the Domains page, navigate to the DNS Settings or DNS Records tab. Here, look for the DNS-SEC section. It'll usually have a toggle switch or button. If it's enabled, just click to turn it off. Don't worry if it takes a few moments to update, that's completely normal. Give it a second to finish. Once you've disabled DNS-SEC, return to the overview page for your domain. You can find this usually in the main left side menu labeled Overview. This page acts like your control center, summarizing your domain's status and main controls. Next, you need to access the Advanced Actions. This is where Cloudflare keeps all the big tools, including the Remove option. On the right sidebar, scroll down until you see a section called Advanced Actions. It might be a little lower, so don't miss it. Think of this area as where all the power moves live for Cloudflare. Under Advanced Actions, you'll see a link or button that says Remove Site from Cloudflare. Click this and Cloudflare will walk you through the removal process. You'll be prompted to type your domain name to confirm that you really want to remove it. This is a great safety feature. It ensures you're totally sure before taking any permanent steps. Go ahead and carefully enter your domain name, then follow any remaining prompts until Cloudflare confirms the deletion. And that's it, you've just removed a domain from your Cloudflare account. Take a moment to double-check that the domain no longer appears in your list. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you have any questions or run into any snags along the way, feel free to drop a comment below. I do read them and I'm happy to help. Don't forget to like this video if it helped you out, and subscribe for more up-to-date tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching and happy managing your domains.